we are going to be making a gorgeous chicken bhuna masala. In the pans right now, we've got mushrooms, we've got green pepper, and we've got a couple of green chilies. Can you hear them cooking away? We're going to make 2 batches for you tonight. Right, let's get a little bit of heat going. This is a chicken bhuna masala. Beautiful. They've been cooking for about 5 minutes or so. What we do next, can you see the secret curry sauce? That is the base sauce. That is a secret recipe which we will reveal on another episode. About 3/4 to a pint goes in there. Look at that, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the next one, 3/4 to a pint in there. Beautiful. Let's put that one on there. That one there. Get a bit of heat going. Next step, a bit of salt. Now, 1/2 to a teaspoon of salt. 1, 2. Bit of stir. Perfect. A little bit of chili powder. Of a spoon. Wow, that is strong. That's very strong. Wow. Okay, let's get that on the go. I think I've just inhaled some chili powder. It's at the back of my throat right now. Right, now in for the chicken. This is chicken in a very, very secret recipe. Again, we will reveal in another episode how to cook this chicken to perfection. Look at this beautiful chicken. Beautiful. Let's get some into this one. Like so. I think the chili's in the air, Tim.
I got some.
You're not there, you are. I've got a feeling this is going to be a hot curry tonight. I think I put too much chilli in. Right, this is a beautiful bit that needs to go in each. Let's just tip a bit more in. Beautiful. Right, a good stir now is what it needs. This is going to be well nice. Keep that cooking for 5 minutes. I think I might have put a bit too much chilli in. Sorry to the production crew. Right, keep that cooking for around about 5 minutes or so. Meanwhile, I'm going to tell you how to do the rice. So, let's swap pans over. Can you see inside the saucepan?
Yep.
Some onion that's been cooking. Let's whack that on. So, some diced onion. Into the diced onion goes some cardamoms. Maybe 6, something like that. Shall we give them a bit of a mix together? Perfect. Straight in. Perfection. So there's your cardamoms. Sorted. Next go some cloves. Now this is to do the rice. This is a beautiful rice. Some cloves there, maybe about 5 or 6 or something like that. And you give that a good stir. Like so. Lovely jubbly. Let's swap those over again. The heat is looking pretty good. Cooking very, very nice. Next step. Onions cooked very nicely. Let's turn that down a little bit. There's the rice that has been soaking for approximately 30 minutes. You can really feel the heat. These need to be cooking for 5 to 10 minutes. Into the pan goes the rice. Give it a good stir to soak up the onion and the little bit of oil that's in there. Boiling water, about 1.5 pints. 3 chicken oxo cubes. crush them up. This rice will be absolutely stunning. There we go. Can you see what's happening inside this planter?
Yeah.
This is the beautiful chicken flavoured pilau rice. Beautiful. Right, let's turn that heat back up because we want to get this to boiling point. Can you see it? Look at that, beautiful. And that will absorb all the lovely stock. Okay, let's give these a quick stir. Rice is boiling, turn it down, 10 minutes on the timer. Cover it. That will be perfect rice in 10 minutes time. Perfect. Right, meanwhile the curries, let's get back to the curries. Garam masala. Teaspoon and a half in each. Oh, I love garam masala. What a beautiful spice. So, give that a good stir. Garam masala. Can you see what's happening? The colour's changing. Beautiful. And this one. Beautiful. Right, there we go. Next spice, we are looking for ground cumin. A teaspoon of ground cumin. Perfect. Give it a good stir. Like so. And the last spice that's going in is a gorgeous spice. Fenugreek. Beautiful. Half a teaspoon, 3/4, something like that. Doesn't really matter. Spot on. Give that a good stir. Now let that simmer away for 5 minutes. Something like that. Let's get some fresh coriander chop, shall we? Perfect. This is the icing on the cake. Fresh coriander, absolutely beautiful. There we go. Now this goes in towards the end, really. We don't want any big pieces in there. So we have 2 chicken Bhuna Masalas on the go. These will serve at least 2 people, maybe 3. Look at that, simmering away, absolutely beautiful. Now you can add a little bit of passata to these if you want to, if you want a bit more juice, but I think they're pretty perfect as they are. Plenty more base sauce there to do another 2 batches. Half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt in the rice. It's not too late to salt it. That's bubbling away nice. Look at that. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Chicken pilau rice. Beautiful. You might see a little bit of oil rise to the top. No problem. Gives it a bit of flavour. Look at that. Get a close up of that, Tim. That is beautiful. Chicken, mushrooms, peppers. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Let's chuck a bit of coriander in, shall we? Look at that. Beautiful. Bit more. Fantastic. £5 if you want a portion. And shall we say £2 for the rice? £7? Is that a good deal?
Yeah.
Okay. Take it out your pocket money. Beautiful. So that is my chicken Bhuna Masala. We're going to be back with another video real soon. I'm going to show you how to make the base sauce and how to make that lovely chicken that was cooking in there. This chicken pilau rice, once it's cooked, once your 10 minutes is up, it needs to rest for 10 minutes and you will have beautiful, beautiful rice. We might come back with another video once we serve. All right, bye for now.